Okay, this is my grade average assignment. It's a bit long. I know it could be more concise, but I just couldn't actually figure out a way to do that. These are just my introduce for the up to 15th, or the introduce just for the strings, for the string.2 int, and this is just for the grade average at the end, and these are for the grades for the actual grades that come up, which I'll talk about when I get to it. But yeah, this is just the first four steps here. It's just the normal while saving thing, like the homework the last day. It just prints the score, and then what it should have done is just show what grade after, but it did work. And then there's this button on my mouse that it goes back a page on a web browser, and when I went back into it, it wasn't there, and I actually don't know how I got it working before, but it did work, but it doesn't now, so it doesn't really matter. It just kind of prints multiple grades, and I know why, but I can't get it not to do that, so yeah, just to prepare you for that. I basically just did that 15 times, so I'll just show you the just so you know, like, I'm not gonna go through every single one because I'd just be saying the same thing. But yeah, just at the end, just for the grade average, I just added them all up and then made grade underscore average equal to that, and divided that by 15. I tried to do it where I just add them all up and divide it by 15 all in one, but I think it was a bit much for it because it just wouldn't do it. So yeah, I guess I'll just start it now. So yeah, I'll just ask for the first score. That it didn't ask for it twice. I forgot to click clear last time I started this. This is my first attempt on the video, but just whatever number, it'll come up your score, and then it will print multiple grades because that doesn't work. You know, again, see, score is 12, grade is B for some reason. I don't understand why. I'll just go through this quickly. Just keep on adding different things. Just keep on asking for it. Yeah, 13th, 14th, and then after this one, it will, you know, your score is, you know, the grades, and then it just tells you what the grade average is, which was 53 for this one. Yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, okay.